Hello, welcome to another tutorial video of Matrix Gold. If you like my videos, subscribe the channel to see more tutorials. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Add ring rail and then select gem command. Change it to cabochon and create the gemstone you want. Adjust the size and position. Create the gem profile and move it. Move the gem and start creating on profile. Join the curve and offset by 0.9 mm. Create a gem holder like this. I want to use a new command, rail revolve. This command requires three things: a profile, a rail and an axis. Perfect. Look at in wireframe. The gemstone is placed in that part. Extrude the ring rail and boolean difference with the surface. Check the dimension. I want to put gems in this part, so use an ISO curve. It can't recognize the mid, so toggle to U and then toggle to V on mid. Now delete this. Jump on curve and adjust it. Very good. Now I want to create the lattice part. First offset on surface by 0.8 from top and bottom. Split these curves. Join and rebuild. Pull it to surface again. Extract the surface, copy yes, change the layer and split the surface by curves. Hide this layer and shrink the trimmed surface. Then offset by 0.25 mm. We should empty midsection to use the lattice, so use another new command, extrude normal. Select the curves, choose the surface and adjust distance. Another curve, and OK. Extend the surfaces to be completely out of the body. And then cap the surfaces by sweep 2. A bit 1D scale and Boolean difference. Select jelly command and after that do pipe. Great. And the last part, making the shank. Add the profile and adjust it. End cap. Mirror, join and done. Thanks for watching, and if you like it, comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.